أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, today we are going to practice Fatha, then we are going to practice inshallah the things we already know. Kasra, Fatha, Kasra, and then it's going to be Dhamma. Okay, Dhamma. And then it's going to be Sukoon. We are also going to do Sukoon. Sukoon is something new. Okay, let's go. So first, let's put the spotlight on the Fatha so that we can do the Fatha. Let's do a little practice on how with the Fatha. Okay, let's go. So we are doing the Fatha first. Fatha. Fatha is a symbol that is always above a letter. Okay, let's go. Find it. Okay. So help me, Maddie. This is wow with the Fatha.
Wa,
Excellent. This is mim with the Fatha.
ma,
Good job. This is kaf with the Fatha.
ka,
Excellent. And remember, we have long fathas also. So long fathas are like this. This is ta with long fatha.
ka,
Exactly, it's just double long. This is zal with long fatha.
za,
Excellent, good job. Va, you're smile.
da,
Yes, bit more. When you smile, as a lighter sound comes out. Okay, so we are good with the fathas. Let's do a little bit more, inshallah, a little bit more practice. Okay, so let's go. I'm just going to let one highlighted area go be there so that you can easily see. Okay, this is lam with the fatha.
la,
Excellent, la. This is ha with the fatha.
ha,
Excellent. So it's very easy. Ha, ma, ba, ta, ja, ka. It's all like that. Okay, let's put the spotlight on kasra. Kasra is basically a symbol that is below a letter. I also call it B so that you remember that this
i,
kasra is B and it sounds like E. This is E, ba with the kasra.
i,
Yes, E, and put the ba sound to it. This is E, ba with the kasra.
b,
B. Good job. Okay, and fatha, dhamma, kasra sounds are short. E, ooh, like that. Okay, let's go. This is E, ba with the kasra again.
b.
Good job. Now that's a ba and that's a ba. They might look a little different, but that's how a ba looks like in the first beginning place. Okay, this is E, kaf with the kasra.
T,
This is E, lam with the kasra.
li,
This is E, fa with the kasra.
t,
Good job. And let's see if I can find a long dhamma here. Okay, so long, long fatha is very common. Long fatha is very common. Okay. Now long kasra and long dhamma are not that common. Okay, sometimes we have them, sometimes we don't. Okay, if it comes, I will show it to you, inshallah. Okay, so most probably it's I do not see a long kasra, but we will see it inshallah and practice that also. Okay, so this kasra is easy. E, B, T, C, G. Those are the short sounds of kasra. Dhamma. I
Ooh,
always think dhamma is the easiest because when you see the symbol, the dhamma looks like this. It's like an O with a tail.
I agree.
Yeah, so whenever you look at it, I think it's always weird, like, oh, ooh, this is ooh, pa with the dhamma.
Tu,
Excellent. Two. This is mim with the dhamma.
mu,
Excellent. This is lam with the dhamma.
lu,
Excellent. Good job. This is noon with the dhamma.
nu,
This is lam with the dhamma.
lu.
Excellent. Let me quickly check if I can quickly take out another sheet and find some long, long kasras and the long dhammas. Let me quickly. Okay, so this is, I put up another sheet now. And let's see, I can see the long kasras in this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, so if you see here, so remember the dhamma, we're doing the dhamma. Ooh, boo, tu, su. Let's do one more dhamma. Okay, help me. This is a unique sound of Dhamma. Okay. This is Ta with Dhamma.
Two.
Two. Let's go see a long Dhamma. So these are all shorts. Ooh, boo, two. Let's go right up. That's how a long Dhamma looks like. So it's,
Oh.
yeah, see, so it's kind of, you can even take screenshots if you like. So this is the long Dhamma. Okay, I'm just going to say long Dhamma. This is the long Dhamma. Long Dhamma. Okay, this is long Dhamma. The one right here. It's kind of long and it's kind of inverted, right?
That raw.
Yeah, so this is a Dhamma. And
Ooh.
this one is like longer, but it's kind of inverted also. So
Okay.
this is how the Dhamma is going to look like. Long Dhamma is going to look like. Let's see how the sound. So wow with the Dhamma
Oh,
woo.
it's wow. I thought it was raw.
Okay, what's the difference between wow and ra? Well, this is the wow, this round big head. Wow has a round head, and then it goes like that. Okay, so how is a ra? My letter ra is this, and the wow is also same size family, but it goes a little like this.
Okay.
Okay, that's
I'm looking at my notes where I drew the letters and I don't think I drew them properly, so it's making me get mixed up.
yeah, no problem, no problem. Very soon, inshallah, you'll
Wow.
be
That's
very
wow.
nice. Yes, wow. So just raw is like that. And then remember, there's a fancy raw also. The fancy raw is like, it goes like this, then it goes like this, and then the tip is a little more thinner like that. So that's a fancy raw. And if you want to see a fancy raw, the fancy raw is sitting right here. This is a raw with the fatta raw. And this is
Okay.
also a fancy ra. So we have, and a regular ra is, okay, so here you'll be able to see it more. This is a ra in the last line, that's the ra. And where is the wow? The wow is right behind it. So that's
Okay.
the wow. They are from the, I call them the same sized family. Wow, ra, za. They are
All
the
has
same
a
size
round
family.
head.
Yeah, their size is same, but they look a little, wow and ra. That's the difference. Okay. Okay, so now we have seen long Dhamma also. Let's go see long Kasra. Okay, I'm going to put an L over here. Long Kasra. Okay, let's see long Kasra. Okay, long Kasra. Where is long? Oh, but hold on. We never took out the sound of the long Dhamma. Let's go check out the sound of the long Dhamma. Okay, this is, so the regular Dhamma is oo. So the long Dhamma is ooh, double long. This is ooh, wow with long Dhamma.
Woo.
Excellent. Woo. Okay. So a regular Dhamma is woo, but a long Dhamma is woo double long. Okay, excellent. Let's go see. Now let's go back. We need to go to the long kasra. Let's go find a long kasra. Kasra is always below. Okay, where is the long kasra? Here. Okay, so if it's a regular kasra, yeah, this is E. Yeah, with the kasra, E. But if it's a long kasra, this is E. This is E. Yeah, with long kasra. So
Ye. Ye.
excellent, you did it. Good job. Okay, so if it's a regular kasra, Ye. But if it's a long kasra, Ye. Okay, and I'm going to write it down for you also. Okay, so if we have ya with the kasra ye and ya with long kasra ye. Wow with the dhamma woo. Wow with long dhamma. Ooh, this is ooh. Wow with long dhamma. Ooh. So this is the dhamma. The long dhamma kind of, the dhamma goes inverted and then it goes longer. That's how it looks like. Okay, good job. So we are doing very good with this area. Fatha dhamma, kasra, long fatha, long dhamma, and kasra. Okay, let's go do Sukoon. Okay, so you will have this recorded video. You can always go over the recorded video and go see how to do these letters and how to do these different. follow different instructions. Okay, let's go. How about this? How about sukoon? Sukoon is, it's a symbol and it's going to be right here. And let me mark it for you, highlight it for you here. That's a sukoon. It does not look like a dhamma. Well, it kind of looks like a dhamma, but guess what? The dhamma has an O inside it.
Then,
Yeah,
yeah.
and the sukoon does not have an O inside it. Okay, that is the biggest difference. So here, I'm going to show you a couple of sukoon. So do you remember this is fancy raw? Fancy raw with the sukoon. Okay, let's go see. Let's go see. And then I have lam with the sukoon. Okay, then I'm trying to get all the different letters. This one, and then meme with the sukoon. Hey, look at them. Both are meme. Okay, dal with the sukoon. Okay, I'm not getting all of them, but I'm trying to get the different kinds. Okay, let's get ra with the sukoon. Let's get ba with the sukoon. Okay, let's go. So what is level sukoon? Level one is the easiest. You know why? Because sukoon just means go grab their phonic
Oh,
sounds.
the connecting, yes.
Ah, go grab their phonic sounds. That's it. That's what it is. Let's go see. Okay, if what if I asked you? Let's first think it's an English class. Okay, and this English class is kindergarten level English class. Okay, so what's the phonic sound of letter N? Phonic sound of letter N. And phonic sound of letter N. Yes, letter J.
Ja.
Excellent phonic sound of
L.
good job. Phonic sound of letter.
Da.
Excellent. Okay, so those are the phonic sound. Guess what? Let's go see here. Okay, dal with a sukoon, d.
Da.
Noon with a sukoon, noon
Da.
with a sukoon. Ba with a sukoon.
Ba.
Ba, ba with a sukoon is, ba with a sukoon is, b. How about ra with a sukoon?
Er.
Yes,
Er.
yes.
Okay.
Little tiny. Yeah, it's a little hard to imagine ourselves in kindergarten, right? Back in kindergarten. Okay, ra with a sukoon. Ba with a sukoon. B. Okay, ba. Hey, why can't I? Okay, whenever I try to grab ba, I can't grab ba. Okay, now I can grab ba with a sukoon. B. Noon with a sukoon. Dal with a sukoon. D. Ra with a sukoon. That's the fancy ra. Ra with a sukoon. Dal with a sukoon. D. Meme with the sukoon.
Mm.
Okay, now in the last line, the meme is written two ways. When the meme is in the middle, it looks like this. The meme at the end can look like this. It's kind of a fancy meme. Okay, meme with the sukoon. How about this one? This is letter Ain that tucks its head in,
Mhm.
Ain head down. Ain with the
I.
sukoon. Less big smile. We need little tiny sound in the throat. Ah.
Ah.
Yes, and very little tiny sound because the sukoon sound is really little. If I say okay, tell me if I'm right or wrong. Okay, lam with the sukoon la. Am I correct or not correct?
Not correct.
Not correct because I just said lam with the fatha la, right? So I cannot say this is la.
It's
Yes, this is if I say ra with the fatha ra and ra with the sukoon ra, no. Ra with the sukoon, ba with the sukoon, b. So sukoon is the little tiny beginning sound of a letter or the phonic sound of a letter. Dal with the sukoon, d. So that is level one. Level one of sukoon is easiest. Inshallah, we'll be doing level two and level three also. But basic sukoon is very easy. It's just the phonic sound of a letter. Inshallah, next class we will practice more also. Inshallah, and you did great.